We just pulled in, we took off our seatbelts. Guess where we are today?
You're taking over my intro.
Changing it up a bit.
Hi.
Just took off our seatbelts.
No.
Guess where we are today?
I'm gonna
Tell them,
do it.
Abigail.
Hi everyone. Today,
We just pulled in, we just took off our seatbelts. Tell them where we are, Abigail.
we're at IKEA. We have not been to IKEA in probably a year.
2 years. A year.
Really quick, I do want to say, if you guys have never seen any of my other IKEA videos before, I will have them linked down below, because I did a series on my channel where we took you through the showroom, the marketplace, the self-serve. I think we did like everything. There were like probably like 6 videos or something in that series.
Yeah.
So today we mainly are probably gonna focus on the marketplace area because that's my favorite area. The showroom in IKEA, I feel like doesn't ever really change too much. Like they always kind of have like the same setups and stuff. If there's anything like new or really cool, I will show you guys that. I wanna look at curtains and baskets. I'm really excited about baskets and plants and planters.
I'm going in for the office stuff.
Yeah, he's looking like
desks,
for that kind of
chairs.
stuff. And
I am
hope
not
you-
leaving here without getting a piece of chocolate cake.
Okay, fine. I'll get a cinnamon roll. Hope you guys enjoy.
Hope you enjoy.
I'm a little stuffy still because I have a little cold, but let's go inside.
Here we go.
We are in the showroom area right now, and in my last video we were just at West Elm looking at a lot of the furniture. Also, another thing, I kind of just wanted to double check that IKEA didn't have anything that was like similar but for a way better price too. But we do have 2 IKEA couches right now, and we are kind of ready for an upgrade. Like the quality has lasted us a couple years, but it's definitely gotten its use out of it. I don't think I've ever seen this couch before. It's bright yellow. Like I think it would be cool in a light gray color or something.
Storage.
Storage.
And there's storage under that one.
Oh, that's cool. Well, I want to sit on it. Is it comfy? It's actually pretty comfortable, honestly. And look at the price. The price is really
$7.45.
good. It's on sale.
Cool.
Look at that.
Look at what?
Look at that price.
Oh.
Okay, so this is a very colorful room. Fun. Oh my gosh. Okay, I did not realize that IKEA had these kind of chairs. These are so similar to the Restoration Hardware ones that I was looking at for our dining room. And I could not find dining room chairs for so long, but this is kind of exactly what I wanted. Yeah, these chairs are super cool. I don't know if they come in other colors or not, but they are only $109 a chair. That is a way better price than Restoration Hardware. Also, another thing I thought looks like Restoration Hardware are these sofas. They're actually super deep too. I want to see if they're comfortable. Sit right there. Hey, these were actually really comfortable. Isn't that comfortable? Wow. Kind of like this. Kind of love it. Maybe we should do this for our formal living room.
Couch that I can nap on, but
$6.99. But yeah, for the formal living room, we're probably not gonna be napping in there. You can get this little thing too, the little ottoman.
well, look how easy it is to stain.
Yeah, true. Loving the jute rug though. That's a big jute rug, $149.
Jute rug. Jute rug.
Curtains. We gotta go find curtains too.
Yeah, we gotta find
Okay,
that curtains.
I'm on overload. I'm excited. These wingback chairs are kind of like an IKEA thing. Anytime I see these chairs in someone's house, I know they're from IKEA, but it looks like they came out with a lot of different colors since the last time we were here. But they're $249. They're pretty cute. If you're just wanting a fun accent chair, they have like small ones for kids now too. Look at this leather chair. If you guys saw our West Elm video, you know we were all about the leather chairs there. I want to feel it. $4.99 for this one. Now that is a way better price than what West Elm was. Is it comfortable?
Yeah, I just...
Or does it seem cheap?
I'd want like a, either a recliner or...
Well, yeah, you could put like a
Something that
footstool or
rocks.
something. I want to sit in it.
Yeah. Here's her initial reaction.
Oh, I love it.
Boom, instant.
It's very comfortable. I think we could get 2 of these. Probably not today, like after we get our couch and kind of get the room put together.
Right.
But I do like that chair. So we gotta remember that.
Remember this chair. $4.99. Lange Grano.
I'm pretty
Not even gonna try. Sorry, guys.
sure when we were at West Elm, the leather chairs, they were like $1,800.
Yeah.
It's a much better price. This whole area is desks.
We're in the office area for me.
Oh yeah.
Looking at desks. Not seeing anything
We
that's...
did a whole office section video, like one of the last times we were here.
Yes.
So all of those are linked down below. Because I don't think any of the desks are really new.
Oh, leather office chair. Those are new, as you can see.
$2.99.
$2.99 for that little thing.
Expensive. What do you think of the leather office chair? Not comfortable. Not worth the $2.99. But it's kind of cute. He wasn't lying when he said he was going to get cake.
I've always wanted to do it. Just try it.
How is it?
It's good.
Okay.
It's
IKEA cake is good, everyone.
pretty rich.
All right. Gets a thumbs up from Joshua.
I don't want to eat all of it, but
You're gonna
I will.
We've made it to my favorite area, the marketplace. Joshua's grabbing a cart because we are going to need it, baby. We just got down here and look at how cute these pans are. Like this is it's like, I think it's cast iron. Maybe? It's really cool. I'm not sure if it is. I think it is. But then they have like this huge one, $49.99, and then this one, which is $39.99. I think it's so adorable. I love it. I really, really like this one. It's cool though. I like the wooden handle. So many beautiful wood cutting boards. Look at this cutie little baby one. How much is it? Like $4? There's also this little cutie too. No handle on that one. Oh my goodness. I might need both. I love these little storage containers, like the clear glass ones. And then they have a cute little wooden top on them. These would be great for like food storage. This would be great for like anything. Maybe even the pantry or something. I love those. They have a ton of like pantry organization stuff though here, which is really nice. I use ones like these all of the time, like for leftovers and stuff, so I kind of feel like maybe I should get one of those. They have so many different glasses. We found this one. I thought it was like a coffee mug, but it's actually like a huge beer mug. Joshua said he would drink out of it. He said probably not beer, but it's really cool. Like I would drink coffee out of it still. It's humongous though. It's really kind of cute. I don't know. It's only $1.99 too. Alright, what else can we find around here? We're finding so many goodies, aren't we?
Yeah, our cart is full.
Just kidding, it has one thing in it. I thought it would have a lot more in it by now, but what you gonna do? They have all these really cool, like kind of like ladder things. I saw one over here. It was really cute too. This one, it's just like, what's a clothes stand? $49.99. But I thought it was really, really cute. They have a bunch of like wooden stuff like that. Like this bench is really cool too. It's 129 bucks. But I'm loving all the pretty blue stuff for summer. And then these baskets over here. I am looking for some good baskets today. I don't think I want this one because I think it's like a little bit flimsy. But I'm noticing they are having some really cool like basket options here. Those are kind of cute, but I just don't want it so flimsy. So we'll see what we find. We're entering Curtain City. We actually really like the blinds here too. They're super cool. We're probably gonna get these for our house. So many cute rugs. I love all of these ones over here. I really like this one. But they have so many. $29.99. What do you like about that one?
That's what I like about that
it's
one.
soft. Guys, look at this one. That one's so cool. I love that one. I'm loving all of these pendant lights. They're all super affordable, like 15, 20 bucks. That's amazing. Look at all of these bamboo lights. These are all so cool. Oh my word. I love them all. They're so much fun. They have so many cool lights. This is going to be my section. I see so many plants and so many planters. This is going to be good.
Here we go.
This is when the cart fills up.
Oh boy.
I love this little bowl. It's like a salad bowl, $19.99, or decorative bowl. And then these right here, wooden trays, the little black candles. And I love these. These are so cool. You could hang them on a wall or just use them for a tray or something. Those are really cute. $17.99, I think. So many great little planters. I think I'm gonna grab this one for $5.99, but they have like some really great just like little plain white ones. I really like this one too. I think that one's just kind of like a nice basic for $5.99. These are all real plants, which is super cool that they have real plants. I already have one of these, like a little jade plant. I don't have one of these. I think it's like a pothos or something. I don't know where I would put that. But they have a lot of cool plants here. I like this one too. That one's just kind of fun. And then they have these really tall tropical ones. And let's see. Oh, they have faux plants over here. I couldn't find my basket that I've been looking for this entire time. So these are faux. They have like the faux fiddle leaf, monstera over there, bunch of baskets. So this is all the faux stuff. It's pretty good faux. Joshua and I have been looking for a basket for probably the past 30 minutes. We cannot find it. Says it's in home organization and it's not. This basket, not here. Joshua, where did you find that? Oh my gosh.
This is what it looks like. Look at.
Because I saw that folded down, but I did not know. Oh my gosh. Perfect.
Found it. How many you get?
Buying it.
2, 3, 4, 5?
Well, I would buy 2 if there were 2 different sizes, but I'll just buy 1. On the hunt for one more thing, a clothing rack. Hopefully we find it. We've been just searching for things, I feel like, for the past hour.
You would want the one thing that's in the very back of the warehouse, bin 52, which is
all
the last aisle.
Down here somewhere. Okay, we're about to check out. Joshua's in line. The line's pretty long though. I just saw these really cute outdoor lights. And then there's some really cool outdoor furniture. I like this. I don't know if you guys can tell because they have a million pillows over it. And then there's this too, which is pretty cool. But we actually saw one at Walmart. It's like out of stock at all the locations near us, so I don't know if we'll ever find it. But it's very similar to this, and it was like a really, really, really good price. This, for all of it, I think it's like $1,070. But, I mean, that's still a pretty good price for that. We just finished up in IKEA. We were in there. How long were we in there?
About 2 hours.
About 2 hours. It was great. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it too, coming along shopping with us, seeing what's at IKEA right now. I am going to do a haul. So keep a lookout for that. Make sure you're subscribed and that you click the little bell next to the subscribe button, because that way you'll be notified as soon as I post that video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thumbs up. Let us know what you thought in the comments down below. What was your favorite thing that we showed? If you guys want more IKEA stuff, my favorite thing was that basket we were searching for.
We could even go to the IKEA in Canada.
True, we could.
Just for fun.
It was just as far as this one was, so.
Yeah, because we live in the UP, so.
No, we don't.
Just kidding, we don't.
Okay.
That'd be awesome.
So, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you're having an amazing week, and I will see you very soon in my next video.
See you later.